The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is finally here, and it's the most aggressive, most powerful patrol ever built. Designed mainly for the Middle East market, this high-performance SUV combines luxury, off-road capability, and track-inspired engineering into one massive performance machine. With up to 495 horsepower, sporty suspension tuning, and a bold Nismo body kit, Nissan is taking the Patrol to a whole new level. The new Patrol Nismo looks far more aggressive than the standard model. At the front, Nissan added a redesigned V-Motion grille with a 3D honeycomb mesh pattern for better airflow and cooling. The front bumper now includes larger air intakes, sporty red accents, and Formula E-inspired fog lights. On the sides, the SUV gets wider fender flares, aerodynamic side skirts, and exclusive 22-inch forged alloy wheels developed with rays. Nissan says these wheels are around 23% lighter than standard ones. At the rear, the Patrol Nismo features an extended spoiler, layered diffusers, sporty splitters, and a Formula E-style rear fog light. These upgrades improve downforce and high-speed stability while giving the SUV a true motorsport appearance. Under the hood, the 2026 Patrol Nismo uses a hand-tuned 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine and Middle East specification. The SUV produces an impressive 495 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque in sport mode, making it the most powerful Patrol ever created. The engine is paired with a recalibrated 9-speed automatic transmission featuring paddle shifters for quicker gear changes. Nissan engineers also upgraded the exhaust system to create a deeper and more aggressive sound. Inside the cabin, active sound enhancement amplifies the engine note for a more exciting driving experience. The Patrol Nismo also receives Nismo-tuned adaptive air suspension, sharper electric power steering, improved aerodynamic stability, better brake cooling, sportier handling dynamics. Even with all the performance upgrades, the SUV still keeps strong towing capability and everyday practicality. Inside, the 2026 Patrol Nismo gets a sporty black and red cabin theme with premium materials throughout, quilted leather seats with red stitching, adjustable sporty side bolsters, aluminum performance pedals, red start/stop button, ambient lighting, large digital displays, premium Klipsch audio system, Nismo logos on seats and dashboard. The interior mixes luxury SUV comfort with race-inspired styling. Nissan says the Patrol Nismo was specially tuned for Middle Eastern drivers. The adaptive suspension adjusts in real time for smoother highway cruising and sharper cornering. Steering response is quicker, while the tuned exhaust and turbocharged engine make the SUV feel far more exciting than the standard Patrol. Many enthusiasts online are already comparing it to performance SUVs like the Toyota Land Cruiser GR Sport. And some fans believe the Patrol Nismo could become the ultimate luxury performance SUV for Gulf roads. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is not just a cosmetic upgrade. It delivers serious performance, aggressive styling, and luxury features while keeping the legendary Patrol DNA alive. With 495 horsepower, race-inspired aerodynamics, sporty suspension tuning, and a bold Nismo design, this SUV is built for drivers who want power, presence, and premium comfort all in one package.